Hey YouTube, Mick here. Alright, going out for just on the town with the kids and the wife in the CBD, so I thought I'd just show you what I'm carrying, which I carry pretty much all the time, but what I'm carrying tonight and pretty much most of the time when I go out in the city or venture around the suburbs, so stay tuned. Okay, so what have I got? Right, number one, left pocket. I've got my reading glasses. Sucks, but anyway, what do you do? In the same pocket I've got some lip balm. Right jacket pocket I've got my mobile. These I won't mention what they are, figure it out for yourself. Just some soothers for my throat. On my hip there got my 220 LED torch. Got my Leatherman Wave and have my survival capsule. And I've done a review on that. Glass breaker, compass there, signal mirror there, and then a hollow tube there with cotton wool balls soaked in Vaso or petroleum jelly, some matches, and a ferro rod and a striker. So that's it. So that's pretty much. Oh, and some cash down here. Yep, cash and card. That's it. That's all I'm carrying, fellas. So, quick video. What I carry in the CBD. Cheers.